Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see the separation method of how to clean the food items. The third separation method is threshing. When a food grain crops like wheat or paddy matures, it harvested from the field. The harvested crop is then dried in the sun. We get bundles of stems or stalks of dried crop plants which have grains attached at their top. The grains attached to the stems or the stalks are covered in a thin layer called calf. Each stalk has a large number of calf covered grains. Grains are separated from stems or stalks and calf. The grains are separated from the stalks by the process of threshing. Threshing is the process in which stems of wheat or paddy are beaten to separate grains from the stems and form the calf that cover the grains. Stalks or the stems of the crop plants and the calves are soft material, whereas grains themselves are very hard. Being soft, stalks and calf can be broken into the pieces on beating, but the grains remain unaffected. Threshing is done by holding the bundles of stems in a hand and hitting them on the hard surface. In this way, the grains separated from the stems. Threshing is also done with the help of a cattle. The harvested and the dried crop plants are spread on the ground in a small area, and various cattle, such as buffaloes, camels, are made to walk over them in a circle again and again for for a considerable time. The cattle's felt crush the stems or the stalks, due to which the grains get separated from stems. This crushing also breaks the calf around the grains, and hence the grains get separated from calf. During threshing, the stalks are covered into a very small pieces called hay, in which used as dry fodder for cattle. The broken calves forms the husk. A moisted machine called thresher is also used for threshing purposes.